Imagine getting paid by YouTube every month just for publishing videos on your channel. Wouldn't that be sweet? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to get YouTube to pay you for creating content on their platform.
Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos.
Watch to the end of the video to discover 7 alternative ways to make money from YouTube without joining the YouTube Partner Program. Before I share with you the 5 ways to get YouTube to pay you, it's important to build up an audience on your channel first. So how can you build an engaged audience on your YouTube channel? When you're starting a YouTube channel, nobody knows that you exist. Therefore, you have to create videos that your audience wants to watch. One of the best ways to tap into the mind of your audience is to find the keyword phrases that they're searching on YouTube and Google. If these phrases get a lot of searches per month and are not too competitive, you could rank your videos on the first page of YouTube and get a lot of traffic to them. Click the link in the card to watch my video on how to find less competitive keyword phrases. The key is to publish videos on a regular basis so you can build up a community on your YouTube channel. If you see that subscribers and non-subscribers are always watching the new content that you upload to your channel, you're ready to monetize your channel. Without having a dedicated audience that watches the videos that you upload, it'll be difficult to generate revenue from your channel. After you've built a small community on your channel, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. After you become a member of the YouTube Partner Program, you can enable monetization on your channel and begin generating revenue. Here are the requirements for joining the YouTube Partner Program. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months before your channel will be reviewed. If you don't have enough subscribers or watch hours, keep uploading original content and growing your audience on your channel. After you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you can monetize your videos if they meet the YouTube community guidelines. Here are the 5 ways to get YouTube to pay you if you've got monetization enabled on your channel. Number 1, AdSense ads. These are ad banners that appear on your video before it starts playing. Every time someone views the ad on your video, you get paid. Keep in mind you need thousands of views on your video to get paid a few cents. The more traffic your videos receive, the more money you'll make. If you want to know how to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast, click the link in the card. Number 2, YouTube Premium. This is a way for YouTube creators to watch videos from other people's channels without ads while supporting the creators. YouTube Premium provides a secondary revenue stream for creators in addition to the money they're receiving from ads. It also enables you to download videos that you can watch offline on mobile or play in the background. The revenue generated from YouTube Premium membership gets distributed based upon how much members watch your content. Number 3, channel memberships. You've probably seen the join button on people's channels or under their videos. Viewers can join your channel through monthly recurring payments. In return, they can get badges, emojis, and any other services that you offer. For your channel to be considered for channel memberships, you need 30,000 subscribers and be at least 18 years old. An alternative to channel memberships is the crowdfunding site Patreon. You don't need to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program, so you don't need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. You simply sign up for Patreon and you keep 90% of the membership fees and they only keep 5% for transaction fees. Number 4, Super Chat. This is where viewers can purchase chat messages during your live stream. When they purchase a Super Chat, their comment will be highlighted in the chat stream and be moved to the top. Depending on the amount that is being contributed, different colors appear for different amounts that are purchased. To enable Super Chat on your channel, you must be a member of the YouTube Partner Program and have at least 1,000 subscribers. Number 5, merchandise. This is where you can sell branded items like t-shirts or mugs to the fans on your channel. YouTube has negotiated a YouTube bonus with Teespring through items sold on the merchandise shelf on YouTube. When you do this, you receive a payment from Teespring. For your channel to be considered for merchandise shelf, you must be a member of the YouTube Partner Program, have at least 10,000 subscribers, and no community strikes on your channel. Teespring will pay you $1 for every item that you sell. The beauty of selling merchandise from approved sites from YouTube is that you can link to them through the cards and end screens. Now you know 5 ways to get YouTube to pay you, but what if you don't meet the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months? No worries, just watch my next video for 7 alternative ways to generate revenue from a YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.